Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to give a big shout out to those who have subscribed, and if you are yet to subscribe, I want to encourage you, click on the link, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to press the notification button so that whenever we upload new videos you can see them. Thank you. Alright, so today we are going to look at the benefits of teaching abacus, the benefits of teaching children abacus. So we are trying to look at what are the benefits that accrue to children who undergo this training in Abacus Mental Math. Alright, the number one benefit that children gain from learning Abacus Mental Math is that it stimulates their creativity. It enhances the creativity of children. Remember, I said in a previous video that Western education focus more on the left side of the brain than on the right, and that what Abacus Mental Math has come to do is to regularize the imbalance, to bridge the gap. So a child that goes through the training of Abacus Mental Math, will be able to think more creatively. That person, because what the program does is that it's going to stimulate the right side of the brain, you understand, and as a result of that, that person's creative thinking abilities will be enhanced. So that is number one. It enhances creative thinking. Now, a second benefit is that it will sharpen the children's listening skills. It sharpens their listening skills. You would agree with me that there is no way a child can learn or do well in class if that child is not able to pay attention and listen in class. Now, in the course of teaching Abacus Mental Math, there is something that we do called listening exercise. And this listening exercise is fashioned in such a way as to help sharpen the ability of children to listen. So their listening skills will be enhanced, and it will affect also the ability to comprehend, in class. That leads us to the third benefit. It's going to improve their ability to comprehend. I know you guessed right. It's going to improve their ability to comprehend. Their comprehension skills will be enhanced. Their comprehension skills will be enhanced. Okay. Number 4 is that it will develop in them the ability to focus and to pay attention. So the ability to focus and to pay attention is going to be developed, is going to become more pronounced in children who learn Abacus Mental Math. You would agree with me that solving math problems usually takes a lot of focus, a lot of attention, and sometimes a lot of time. Now imagine when you subject a child to that kind of process, over a long period of time. He does it, with frequent and intermittent intervals. He does it, you understand. You find out that that child will be able to pay attention, that child will be able to focus, and you know also that one of the distinguishing characters of someone who will make it in life is that somebody who is able to be dogged, someone who is able to pay unbroken attention to something. So you find out that teaching and learning of Abacus Mental Math in children prepares them not just for the classroom but also for life. Someone who doesn't pay attention, someone who is not focused in life will not make it, because a little discouragement, a little distraction, the person, gives up, throws in the towel. But the study, the learning of Abacus Mental Math will bring a change, a positive change in the life of children who are subjected to it. It will improve their ability to focus. and the ability to pay attention. Now, also, it's important to note that those children who learn Abacus Mental Math, they tend to perform calculations faster than the others. So that leads us to another benefit. It will enhance the ability to calculate faster and even with more accuracy. So the ability to calculate, to perform calculations will improve, it will increase, their speed will increase, and they will also perform these calculations with more accuracy. Alright. Another benefit is that it enhances children's analytical skills. Once a child is born and grows up, that child will face problems. Life is all about problem solving. And it takes one who is able to critically analyze situations for that person to be able to make the best judgment in every situation. So the learning of Abacus Mental Math will improve the analytical skills of your children. Now, also another great benefit that this program provides is that it takes away the phobia or the fear of figures. In schools today, you see children, they make such statements as, math is difficult, math is hard. But because of the way this program is fashioned, because of the way this program is presented, it makes calculation to become fun for children. Gradually, you find out that children who are subjected to this training, they will lose the fear, they will lose the phobia for mathematics, and you see them, they do even better in quantitative courses. Then the last, but not the least, the last is that children who are exposed to Abacus Mental Math, they do well overall in everything that they do. It improves their performance in whatever they do overall. That's just it. A child that is exposed to Abacus Mental Math, and is into music will do well. A child that's exposed to Abacus Mental Math will be able to understand what is being taught. Other subjects, your English language, your social studies, when you begin to tell the person history of, a certain place and all that, you find out that it opens up the brains of these children, you understand, and it helps them to learn more effectively. That is just the summary of it. So it helps them, they will perform very well in whatever they do, even those who go into sport and physical activity. So these are the benefits of studying, of learning Abacus Mental Arithmetic. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next video.